One thing you don't want when doing a home loan are any surprises. I got a call from my borrower and he said, "Hey Alan, why do I have to pay $9,000 when I said this is a no-cost loan?" Well, this can be explained pretty easily, and the principal reason is the property taxes are due because of when this was closing. It was closing in mid-October, and property taxes are due November 1st, but delinquent December 10th. So the lender requires that the borrower pays his installment, which in this case is $7,000. Also, the lender requires that the homeowner's insurance is paid in full. So that was another $676. So those are the big items that make up that amount of $9,000. The other items are mostly prepaid interest. Now, when you have a home and you make your January payment, that's for living in your house for the month of December. When you make your February payment, that's for living in the house in January. So because of the timing of getting out of the old loan and getting into the new loan, there's several days of interest that have to be collected. So interest is not a cost. You're going to pay that anyhow. Homeowner's insurance is not a cost. You're going to pay that anyhow. Property taxes are not a cost for getting the loan. You're going to pay that anyhow. So that's what makes it the $9,000. And I know it's a shock, but if you fall in October or if you fall in January, you're going to have these problems with your property taxes. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thank you very much.